Hello, Facebook friends. I thought I'd show you my family room today. There's my little dog. He's a long-haired Chihuahua. Except I got him cut. I got his hair shaved off. It's been so hot. Yeah, he's a sweetheart. His name is Zorro. Zorro. So here's my sofa. My friend gave it to me. It's a Hedrodon, feather and down. It's so comfortable. I've taken many a nap on there. And I made all my pillows. These great little lights came off of a barn. They were green. I painted them. Got some picket fence from my neighbor. This is part of a barn door. My wreath is actually from Trader Joe's. It was a boxwood Christmas wreath for $10 from Trader Joe's. I let it dry and then I sprayed it silver and gray. And I leave it up all year long. It's just, I love it. And the wings and the hearts were a friend of mine. They make those and sell them. And I'll just back out here. Zora, what you doing? And there's my doggy and my sofa. And then we come over here on this wall with a few more little wall decorations. I love vignettes. It's a great frame. I like the shape. Over here, this is a beautiful chippy wood top of a door. I added some antique knobs. There's a little clock. I wanted to tell you, all my clocks in this room came from a lady who used to repair clocks, and she was selling them, and she sold them for $1, and a bunch of them she gave me free. Like the cuckoo clock here, I think it was $2. Doesn't work, but it had all the guts, and I painted it, and I just love it so much. Now there's another little clock. Now the shelf came from a convent. These shelves were 8 feet long. I got them at an auction. I bought several of them. We cut them down. I sold them all. I used to have a shop. And this is the last one I have. This is the last one I have. And I love it. It's just such a cute little shelf to put little vignettes in. Now I made this bottle here. I wanted to show that to you. If you want to make something like that, that's a vintage bottle. And it has a little transfer on it. You just find something on the internet, on the computer that you like, you print it off and you transfer it on there. And we can make those together if that's something you'd be interested in. I used to have an Etsy shop as well as a brick and mortar store. And I used to sell a lot of those bottles, so they're really fun. And then I have 2 wicker chairs in here that I got from garage sales. Here's one. And there's the other one. I made my pillows and I wrote joy and peace. It's kind of a Christmas thing, but I kept it because I thought, you know, who doesn't need joy and peace and love in your life, especially in this world today that's so crazy. And here I have a little table that I bought from a garage sale, I think it was, or maybe a thrift store, and I painted it. The lamp came from a garage sale. The rooster, which is really beautiful, my sister-in-law gave me. The curtains are a match, similar, not the same print as my living room video, but complementary. Come from Home Goods. This little garden rack I brought in the house. It's just a nice little shelf to show some vignettes of things that I've collected. Another clock, great copper. And over here, I have a really cute wicker antique basket that I got from a thrift store. Put some throws in for the winter. My husband made me these little wooden circles. I wrote joy on there. This little metal pot came from Hobby Lobby. No, not Hobby Lobby. I forgot. Oh, I painted it. Pottery Barn. Came from Pottery Barn. That's right. All the things up here on the fireplace mantle are mostly old, and I've redone them. My husband made me that awesome frame with old wood. My sister gave me that cow. She knew I wanted one really bad, so she got me that. I love it. These old shutters are from the turn of the century. They have beautiful hardware on them. They're really old. I have this nice little trunk. I put wheels on it. I use it as a little side table to go next to this chair. Have another little clock up here. A bunch of old keys that I've collected. Old doorknob. Old books. I love to stack things on old books. Here's my coffee table. I really like the shape of this coffee table. I have a nice drawer. Comes from a factory. It was a friend of mine. And I think it looks really good in this room. So here we go. This is my family room. And if you have any questions about any of the things, if you want to make those little transfer bottles, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.